Harrison for a plea. And she's right there in the front. Have her come up.
Yeah, please.
Or Miss Harrison, I'm sorry.
Is it this one? Yes.
Huh?
I was just making sure it's the correct.
Yeah, that's right. Good morning, Miss Harrison. Ma'am, you're charged with theft. I'm sorry, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys owe true to the 1.5 enhancement on the other end. Okay. You're facing up to a year in jail. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you a 15-month deferred. And they're also going to dismiss another case, I see, right?
Yes, Judge, they're going to dismiss the theft.
Got it. Okay. That's a big one. A theft will kill you. How old are you?
20.
You're 20. A theft will kill you. As part of the agreement, you will do an anti-theft class, a 2-hour anger management class. You will have to do a TRAS, which is an evaluation to see what are the conditions you may need. If they assess further conditions, you must do them, and then no drugs, no alcohol. Who is the assault? Who's the alleged victim in the assault? Pavel.
Yes.
Assault of Tanya Parker.
Do you know who that is in relation to Ms. Kennedy?
There's no relation, Judge.
Complainant is working at JCPenney's store.
Okay.
And
Did you work there as well? Just a random person that you got in a fight with?
It's the same,
Out of the
it's the
same
same criminal
transaction as
episode as
the
the
theft,
theft,
Judge.
Judge.
I got it. Okay.
Yes, it was a light robbery.
What?
Light robbery. Robbery
A
light.
robbery light. You're lucky that you're not charged with an attempt at the very minimum.
Sometimes they
attempt.
file it as robbery and sometimes they.
Yeah, you know, when you go in there and they allege that you're stealing something and you become combative with the person, they'll charge you with a robbery. And then you're looking at years in prison as opposed to, you're lucky that you're charged with this as opposed to robbery. Really. So what I would like to do is just no contact with the complaining witness and no weapons. Please make sure that there's no accidental run-in. And Miss Harrison, did you graduate from high school? Wonderful. You will now. Oh, you're in school now, but you're 20 and you're still in high school? No. Man, when do they stop taking people for high school?
If they stay in high school and they fail, they still can be in high school.
At 20?
Yes, they can.
Really?
As long as they're continuously, but if they dropped out, they have to go back to the GED.
I knew 20-year-olds when I was in high school.
Still be in it.
Okay. I am making it a requirement that you graduate from high school. If you don't, you're going to be doing it with me in jail. So I want you to be continuously full-time in school, no dope, no alcohol. If I test you now, what are you going to test positive for? Nope. You will be tested 31 days from today.
I know, stop smoking.
You better, because if not, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm gonna have you sober up in custody. As a sanction, I can put you in there for 30 days to get you to sober up. I'll let you out and then you will continue on probation until you graduate, and I'll make you a deal. All I want you to do is the anti-theft class, the anger management class, and graduate. And the minute you do that, I'll take you off this thing. I'll take you off the probation. Once you graduate from high school, you do those 2 classes. And you have to stay clean. I promise you, Miss Kennedy, I'm going to test you 31 days from today. If you stop smoking as of now, then you'll be fine. But if you continue to smoke, and I don't care what your excuse is, I'm in a car, everybody else is smoking. I don't give a rat's behind. I don't care. You will go to jail, and you're going to be there for 31 days, waiting to have all out of your system, and then I'm gonna let you out, and then we will continue. And I'm going to continue to play this game until you sober up. After the 31 days you're out, I'm going to test you again. You test positive, boom, another 31 days you're in. Prove it. I'll see you in 31 days. If you can, I'll pat you on your back and I'll send you on your way and just wish you the best of luck and just get the 2 classes done, get your high school diploma, you're out. Because with this kind of probation, I can take you off tomorrow if I wanted to. We can early terminate you. And all I want you to do is get your diploma and get the 2 classes, all right? And don't get in trouble.
Thank you, Judge.
Hold on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You have the right, you're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine the accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no going back. You cannot change this. You're stuck with us until you complete it or you get violated. If you violate this thing, I will issue a warrant. I'm going to put you in jail and you're looking at an entire year. Where do you want to go? For what? You're in school. You're just going to up and take off? You have a baby? You're a baby. How you have a baby? Lord. How old's that baby? Are you nursing that baby?
Oh, he's test teeth.
Well, I don't know. Some people nurse until what? What's that one movie where the dude she nurses until 4? Look, if you have a child and you're nursing or you're doing something like that and you're smoking dope, all that passes through you goes to the baby. Okay. Stop having kids. Don't. Should we make that a condition too?
Judge, I think that would actually be unconstitutional.
Yeah.
I would love for you to make that.
That's a good one.
All right, ma'am, please. If you want to go, get permission first. Ask and then don't just go. Get permission first and then we'll talk. Because I want to know how long you're going to be gone, where you're going to be going and stuff like that. Okay? All right. How do you plead to the assault? Guilty or not guilty? I will not find you guilty. I will withhold that for 15 months. Make us proud. We're not asking for much. Okay? Riley, all fees cut off. Okay? For everything. Okay. All right, Miss Harrison.
No.
Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
It hasn't been this month.